In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create videos using Gemini Omni.
You've got this, don't worry. I'm sure she will say yes.
But what if...
Let's get started. Search for gemini.google.com. Enter. Click this one. Okay. It shows like this. You can open sidebar, create videos, this one. Here we have templates. You just have to insert your prompt here. Just prompt, Control V. That is a prompt. I have videos, flashlight. You can also add the image if you want, but I don't insert the image. Here you can select landscape or portrait. I selected landscape. Just submit. We just have to wait, nothing more. It asks me to insert image. I said no need to image. Now my video is ready. Just you can play it.
You've got this, don't worry. I'm sure she will say yes.
But what if...
Now you can download the video from here. That's all. Have a nice time.